Hey there, this is Tom with the Pelvis Speed Trainer. You know, many sports that we've studied and researched and used our 3D sports motion measurement system to capture what the body's doing during the sport. Many ground-based rotational sports all have one thing in common, and that is the kinematic sequence, the sequence of motion of the body to do the action. Now, in order to maximize production of power at the end of a lever, such as an arm, it's very important to be able to, first of all, rotate the pelvis with as much speed as possible. And it doesn't matter what it is you're doing, the more speed you can generate here, the more speed travels through the entire body. That's due to a system called proximal to distal sequencing. Energy from the body transfers through the body in a certain order, and it transfers from the ground up. So for instance, during a punch, call it a hook to the body. Our energy is going to come from our back foot. It's going to transfer through the body. And if you look at the motion we're making, our pelvis goes, our torso goes, the lever goes. So here's our load on our back foot. We dig into the punch, we twist the pelvis, we rotate the upper body, the arm comes along for the ride and fires through. That's a lot of force versus just an arm. We generate a tremendous amount of force from the ground up, pelvis being the first proximal segment to really add rotational speed to this punch. I have a few different training devices here to show you the same. Same in a golf swing. When we take a good, solid golf swing, we go back, our pelvis rotates, everything comes along for the ride. The studies that we've done, the kinematic sequencing, our 3D sports motion system gives us the data. We can see exactly how the body works. Same in a baseball swing. Golf swing, baseball swing, very similar. You're at the plate, you're warmed up, you take the stretch move, the pelvis rotates, everything comes along for the ride. Pelvis, torso, arms, hands. It's a baseball swing. Faster the pelvis goes, faster everything else goes. You want to hit more home runs, increase your pelvis speed. Same in a baseball throw. You'll see a trend here. In a baseball throw, we wind up, we step. While our arm is loading, our pelvis rotates, everything comes along. Here's what it looks like. We wind up, we step, we throw. Pelvis, first proximal segment to turn. Torso follows, arm comes down the line. Same in a hockey slap shot. We've recorded hockey slap shots. Nothing different, very similar to a baseball swing, a golf club swing, same thing. We have the kinematics, we know the data. Same in a tennis racket. To be honest, anytime you have a ground-based rotational sport where you're transferring a load from the ground through the body, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 order. Pelvis, upper body, arms, wrist, club, bat, punch. Doesn't matter. So here's the key. If you want to increase your athletic performance, you want to increase your power, your swing speed, how far you can throw a football, a baseball, a javelin, a shot put, learn how to use your pelvis. Make your pelvis as fast and powerful as possible. Give the rest of your body the chance to take that energy, sequence it up the chain, and get as much power on that punch, on that slap shot, on the golf drive. Hit more home runs. Throw a javelin farther. Kick harder. It's all the same. Our Pelvis Speed Trainer teaches you motor control of the pattern, of the pelvis pattern. It teaches you speed of the pelvis. It teaches you overspeed training when you have it on for overspeed training. It teaches great stability of the pelvis. It teaches overall body balance. We have over 20 exercises and drills to use with our Pelvis Speed Trainer. It's a fantastic product. I recommend everybody, if you're an athlete, get a Pelvis Speed Trainer, take control of your pelvis, get a better performance in your athletic endeavor.